Good morning, Naima's Restaurant. This is Eugene speaking. How may I help you?
Yes, I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, sir. May I please to know who's in the line, please?
Mr. J. Maglinis.
Mr. J, should I make this table reservation in your name?
Yes,
When do you want to make the reservation, sir?
for tonight.
For how many people, sir?
For one person, please.
At what time, Sir J?
For 8 p.m.
Sir, would you like a smoking or non-smoking area?
For non-smoking, please.
May I repeat your table booking, sir?
Okay.
You are having a table reservation tonight at 8 p.m. for one person in a smoking area under your name, Mr. J.
Yes, thank you.
Mr. J, your table reservation has been made. Thank you for calling Nakima's Restaurant. We are look forward in welcoming you. Good morning, sir. Welcome to Naima's. May I ask if we have a table reservation under your name?
Yes, under the name of Christian J.
Yes, sir. Your table is ready. Please follow me, sir. Excuse me, sir. May I assist the table napkin for you, please? Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Here is our menu.
Okay, I would like to order a chicken mushroom soup, a ribeye steak, a cheesecake, and for the drinks, a pineapple juice, please.
Okay, sir. May I repeat your order? For soup, chicken mushroom soup. Main dish is a ribeye steak. Dessert is cheesecake, and your drinks or is juice, sir. That is right.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. May I fill your glass with distilled water?
Yes, please.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. This is your soup. Your chicken mushroom soup, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your soup, sir?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. This is your main dish, the ribeye steak, and this is your silverware, sir. The dinner fork, and the dinner knife. Excuse me,
you.
sir. Excuse me, sir. Are you done with your main dish?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. This is your dessert, sir. A chocolate nut, which is a chocolate donut, sir, with the chocolate syrup, and this is your pineapple juice, sir, and this is your sir, dessert fork, sir. Excuse me.
Waiter, my bill.
Excuse me, sir. This is your bill.
Let me see. I see. Here, I paid in cash.
Okay, sir. I receive a 2,000 pesos, sir. Thank you. And we are looking forward for you, sir, to back again in Naima's restaurant. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you.